Hi there and welcome back to Allenmark Mechanical. Find me driving today on my way out to a place to a farm auction. I'm running a wee bit late because I broke down this morning. Nothing serious, it's a flat battery, but I don't understand how I got a flat battery. It's a brand new battery. Anyway, you'll see we'll take some footage of the auction. There's implements, mowers, trimmers, machinery, farm and garden machinery mainly, boxes of wood, stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy. Lawnmowers, old Ronson. I think that's the same. I think that's a Villers. There's a little one. That one's a pull start. No automatic recoil. That's another Villers engine there. Honda. Another Honda. Echo, Husky. The whole pallet. This is the engine for the little one. They weren't so keen on that one, they broke the spark plug on it. They're all old Villers by the looks of it, eh? Yeah. Most of what's here is old Villers, eh? The looks of them, most of them are plated, eh? A couple of Honda Izzies. Some people like them, some people hate them. Right, I think we'll come back here and see what they make anyway. That was our auction, so we came back, we'll see a little bit of footage there of the lawnmowers and a couple of pallets of engines, and I've left bids on them because it started lashing down the rain, and we decided that we weren't going to stick about in the rain. There was lots of other things, but it was, like I say, pretty hard to start filming in the rain. So anyway, it's just a short video this week. Remember folks, leave us a like.